Hello everyone, in this video we're going to be comparing N8n and Langchain to see if which automation tool is really better in 2025. So let's start with the N8n. So this one is a versatile low-code automation tool that enables users to connect APIs, databases, and various online services through a visual workflow builder. So it supports both self-hosting and cloud deployment, making it adaptable for different privacy needs. So with a strong library or pre-built workflows and a large community, N8n excels in general purpose automation without requiring deep programming skills. So moving forward to the Langchain. So in contrast, it is a developer-centric framework designed for creating AI-powered applications. So it specializes in working with large language models, embeddings, and retrieval augmented generation, or the RAG pipelines. So while it requires coding knowledge, it offers unmatched flexibility for building intelligent agents, integrating AI reasoning into applications, and developing custom automation pipelines that go beyond simple triggers and actions. So the summary is you can choose N8n for broad, no-code automation across multiple surfaces. Now you can also choose Langchain for AI-driven, code-based automation and intelligent workflows. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this comparison helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!